Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on the Google Pixel 7. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find app called Notify Buddy. It's this app right here and simply install it. After installation process is complete, click on Open, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it, so I'm not gonna do that. Go to the next step, click on OK, and from here we can start using this app. So there's a user tab. Here you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In the system you can find all system bound apps. In active there will be all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen or color, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version. Now let's click on the test, and right here we can find the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.